Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on editing your checks and your checkout in Squarespace.com. The process is very easy and simple. The checkout page, is a very crucial part of any e-commerce website, and Squarespace provides the range of tools to customize it and edit and customize it and then optimize it. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit your checkout page to improve the user's experience and to increase your conversations. And you can increase your conversions after your conversations. So we will cover the basics of accessing the checkout settings. We can customize the checkout fields. We can set up the payments gateways and much more, like, configuring shipping options and customizing the designs on Squarespace. With this Squarespace website, you can create a seamless and user-friendly checkout experience that matches your brand and your style. So yeah, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Squarespace.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and then it is going to direct you to your home screen or your dashboard this way. This is the type of the dashboard that is going to appear. Now, if you are a newbie and you have not created any website yet, then your dashboard is going to be empty. There would be no sites here. But if you are a previous user and have created a few websites already, then your websites are going to appear over here like this. You see? Okay, so this is the type of the website that are going to appear on your screen. So if you're a newbie, then you must check out how to create a new website. Okay, so let's just say for the newbies, I'm going to help you guys find out how to create the website in this video. Just go click on create website. I'm just giving you a brief introduction so that it will be easy for you guys. Okay, after I click, now you have to follow 3 simple steps in order to create a website on Squarespace.com. The first step is that what your site is about. It could be about photography, design, education. Let's just say it's about education. And then I'm going to click on next. And you could also enter those. Let's just go back so that I will be showing you. What do you want to do with your website? Sell online courses, invoices, get appointments, invoices, online courses, build a community, sell products, sell services, and much more. You can choose any one of these. Now the third and the most crucial and the last step and the most necessary step is that you need to choose a template. You can use either a designer template or you can also choose the Blueprint AI. If we choose the Blueprint AI, it is going to be a much more of a labor bout. It is because you need to answer a few simple questions that AI is going to ask you. It is going to basically ask you your preferences, and after you answer your questions, AI is going to create a new template for you that has never been created before. But if you are using the designer template, since you have answered 2 to 3 questions, then this is going to give you some templates according to the answers that you have given to those questions. Let's just say I'm looking for, there are 10 templates that it has given me. Let's just say I choose this one. You need to click on start with the design. You need to make sure that you are completely making it sure that it fits according to what you're looking for. So this is how you would be adding, the checkouts. You can make them clear. You can customize the layout. You can add the logo. You can also adjust the colors to create the consistent brand appearance by clicking on edit site. But if you are done editing, this video is just for the sake of the video, so I'm not making any necessary changes in this video. But if you are done editing your website, you need to navigate to your left side of the website. Here you see there's an option of settings. You need to go to this setting option. Now, you need to go to the option of selling. You see there are domain and email, customer notifications, selling, brands, marketing, third-party rules, permissions, ownership, billings, developmental, but you are going to navigate to the settings. Here you scroll down and you see the option of checkout, customize checkout page, newsletter sign up, store policies, receipt details, and much more. You're going to click in this, and it is going to give you so many options that are going to help you, edit your checkout domain. This is actually enabled. This is your checkout URL. You can set up the automations. You can, require customers to reach the minimal subtotal amount before they check out. You can click in this if you want to enable it. You can also cancel this. But if you enable it, you need to set up that how much amount of the thing that the customer needs to buy in order to start this checkout process. You can also click on quantity for the services. Let's just say if it's 2, if it's more, let's just say it is 5. All right, let's just keep it to 5. And then you will need to enter the receipt details, the customer price, and you can customize the price and tax details in your receipt based on your local requirements. You can check out the receipt detail as well. This is your checkout page. Here you need to enter the email, default building address, and much more. So you can use these, or you can click on the set up automations if you are looking for some automations for your checkouts. You see, you are going to, these are included in your plans. These are the forms that are included. You can check out the status, or you can also go to the 3 buttons here. You can activate it, you can rename it, you can delete it, or you can also view the analytics. So this is how you're going to add the checkout automations, and you can also create one. This is how you're going to create the new automation for your checkout page. So after giving the final touches, a well-designed checkout page can be made, and it can make a big difference in your online store's success. It can help you reduce the cart abandonment, increase the conversions, and as I've said before, it can improve the customer satisfaction to the next level. So that's it. This is how you're going to clear your checkout on your Squarespace.com. This was very easy tutorial to edit your checkout in Squarespace. Took only a few minutes to do that. You can make the necessary changes. I have given you, and I have shown you all the options that where they're placed, so that it would not take much time to find out the given options. Now you can make the editings, you can edit them. It was very easy. So in this tutorial, we have walked through the steps to edit your checkout page and create a seamless experience to your customers. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.